I'm now back in Beijing. These past few days, I've been dealing with jet lag, and the cold, dry weather here got me sick. But it's all good. I can still chat with you all here. And today I want to share some practical Chinese expressions with you based on my recent life, like visiting a market and having hot pot. Okay, let's get started.
这是我在去吃饭的路上偶遇的市集。
这个是什么东西啊？
这个是什么东西？ When you see an object but don't know what it is, you can ask like this. 这个是什么？ This is what? Or 这个是什么东西？东西 means thing. This is what thing. 这个是什么东西？
象牙饼，
饼是吗？
This is 饼。饼
硬的吗？还是软的？
脆的，
脆的啊。
硬的还是软的 ？Hard or soft？ 硬 hard， 软 soft。硬的还是软的 ？And then his answer is 脆的 ，crispy， 脆的，脆，脆。Next, I have a conversation with one of the vinegar vendors, and his words have a strong Beijing accent. You can listen carefully and see if there is any difference in what he says to me. Our speaking speed is normal, but for you beginners, it may seem a bit fast. But it is okay. You listen to it for the first time, and I will carefully explain what you can learn from this passage for the second time.
闻一下味儿，
这个是桑葚吗？
桑葚的，先闻一下味儿，慢慢品，然后在嘴里边含上几秒钟，就能品出这个醋是不是好醋。如果不是好醋，它会又涩又倒牙。
哎，这个甜的，
很柔，对，桑葚，有果糖，
挺好喝的。
对。
那这个平时怎么用啊？
这就是喝的，平常饭后睡前，当然也可以吃饺子拌凉菜。
像苹果醋那种。
对。啊，苹果醋其实咱们也有，只是这儿没带。
Did you get it? Let's see the second time together.
闻一下味儿，
这个是桑葚吗？
桑葚的，先闻一下味儿。
他让我闻一下味儿，味儿。So the Beijing dialect has a relatively heavy rhotic accent. For example, here, 味儿，味儿。It means taste, flavor. 闻一下味儿。It means smell it and see what it smells like.
慢慢品。
Okay, here, 慢慢品. It means take your time to taste it. 慢慢 plus 慢慢 It means slow. Take your time. 品 means taste. 慢慢品。
然后在嘴里边含上几秒钟，就能品出这个醋是不是好醋。
Okay, he said, 含上几秒钟 hold in the mouth 含 like hold the medicine in your mouth 把药含在嘴里。这里他让我喝一口醋，然后含在嘴里几秒钟。含
如果不是好醋，它会又涩又倒牙。
又涩又倒牙，涩倒牙 tooth sensitivity 倒牙。
哎，这个甜的，
很柔，对。
Okay, I said 这个是甜的，甜 sweet 甜。And he said 柔很柔，味道很柔和 very smooth 柔。OK, 你们都学会了吗？接下来就要跟着我一起去吃火锅啦！
我要去吃火锅。
去这家吧。我们来调小料，看看有什么。哎呀，火锅全靠这些调料，有了它们，味道特别好。哎，皮套，还给了一个眼镜布。这个是什么？这个是围裙。哎，锅底上来了。这个是蔬菜拼盘。我一般会调2种料，一个是油碗，一个是麻酱。这个是牛肉啊，谢谢。戴上围裙，扎好头发，准备开吃啦。围裙和头绳都是火锅店送的，服务真的太到位了。水果也无限量提供，比如这个枣。看出来这个是什么？什么字母呢？这个是冰粉儿。看这个筷子，好长啊，超级长的筷子。
Okay, thank you for watching today's video. I upload the subtitles, key vocabularies, sentences, and audio for every video over on my Patreon. Hop over and subscribe if you want to learn more. I'm Minnie. See you next time. Bye.